Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crocheted bedsheet design. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel Creation. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. So friends, today's video is amazing. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else. And you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.